Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Nintendo Switch for extra security. Stick around till the end. Step 1. To begin, you will need a PC or mobile phone. Open your browser and search for Epic Games on Google. Click the first link, go to the Epic Games website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and select Sign In. Now instead of signing in normally, choose the Nintendo option. If you're already logged in, your Nintendo email and password will automatically load. Otherwise, you'll need to enter your credentials. Step 2. After logging, click on your name in the top right corner and go to Account. From your account info, navigate to Password and Security. Scroll down until you see Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA. Step 3. Now you have the three options for two-factor authentication: email verification, SMS code verification, Authenticator app. Pick up the method that works best for you. If you choose SMS, you'll need to enter your phone number and verify it. For the Authenticator app, you'll need to download it and follow the setup process. Once you have enabled your preferred method, you'll be asked to verify every time you log in, adding an extra layer of protection. And that's it. You have successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Nintendo Switch via Epic Games. This ensures your account stays safe and secure for unauthorized access. If this guide helped, consider liking and subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.